Our next topic or next starting method is capacitor split phase motor. Now this is the diagram of the capacitor split phase motor. Now the main winding is so designed by taking into consideration of the required performance of the induction motor and the time phase displacement between the main winding current and the auxiliary winding current is obtained by putting a switch or a capacitor, a centrifugal switch and a capacitor in series with the auxiliary winding. तो जो आपको टाइम फेज डिस्प्लेसमेंट चाहिए बिटवीन मेन वाइंडिंग करंट एंड ऑक्सिलरी वाइंडिंग करंट वो हम ऑब्टेन करते हैं बाय कनेक्टिंग अ सूटेबल कैपेसिटर इन सीरीज विद द ऑक्सिलरी वाइंडिंग of the motor. Now the centrifugal switch CS means centrifugal switch disconnects the auxiliary winding at about 70% of the synchronous speed. The line current with capacitor split phase motor is less than for a resistor split phase motor. Now since the torque is directly proportional to Ia into Im sin beta, where beta is the angle between the two currents, auxiliary current and the main winding current. So the capacitor split phase motor have high starting torque as compared to the resistor split phase motor. For the same line current. Now by the use of suitable capacitor, angle beta can be made 90 degree at standstill and this results in high possible torque. तो हम एक suitable capacitor को यूज़ करके IA और IM के बीच में एंगल है उसको 90 डिग्री कर सकते हैं जिससे मैक्सिमम स्टार्टिंग टॉर्क मिल सके. लेकिन जब हम इस तरह का कैपेसिटर यूज़ करते हैं तो उसका जो कॉस्ट होता है और साइज़ होता है वो बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. So in order to make a compromise, we make angle beta slightly less than 90 degree जिससे कि हम कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ कर सकें between the starting torque and starting current and the cost. Now the auxiliary winding and starting capacitor are in circuit for a short time only, so these can therefore be designed for a minimum cost. A capacitor split phase motor has high starting torque. Now these motors have a typical rating of 100 to 800 watts. For 100 watts up to 100 watts motor, the capacitor uses of rating 20 to 30 microfarad, and for up to 750 watt motors, the capacitor is 60 to 100 microfarad.